Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to type on a PDF for free in Windows 11. There's no additional downloads and it's really simple to do. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here in Windows 11, I do have a PDF document on my desktop. You can go ahead and find yours, whether it's in your File Explorer or on your desktop. This one's just a 10-page document that we're going to be adding some text to. So what we need to do is find that file, and we're going to right click on it, not left click, but right click with your mouse. And we're going to hover down. You'll see the option that says open with. And once you hover over that, you can go off to the right and you should see the option that says Microsoft Edge. Now this comes pre-installed in Windows 11 and it is free to use. So we'll go ahead and open that up. We'll left click on it and it's going to open up the PDF viewer here in Microsoft Edge. Now up here at the top, you'll see a whole bunch of different options, and the one we're looking for looks like a letter T in a box here. When you hover over it, it says add text. So go ahead and select that. And when we go to our document, it's going to give us a little text box. So we can decide where we'd like to put it. I'm just going to put it right here. And it says start typing here. So we can go ahead and type in our notes, or I'm just going to type in approved. Type in whatever you like for that document. Now there's a little handle on the right hand side. We can expand it or shrink it. We can grab the handle on the left here and move it around if we like. So I'm going to just put it right there. We can also adjust the color. So for example, it's currently set to blue. There's black, green, or red. So I'm going to select red. There's options here to adjust the size, so you can make it bigger. If you go on to multiple lines, you can just drag it out like that to make it all fit on one line. You can make it smaller, just however you like it. You can also adjust the spacing if you like. And if you don't want it any longer, you can just go ahead and hit the garbage can here to delete it. Now this is an important step because it won't add it unless we click off of it. So right now there's a box around it. We need to click off of the text like that so the box disappears. Now once you've got that the way you like it, we can head up to the top right hand corner. Now there's a couple options for saving it here. If you want to keep your original file without the notes on it, don't hit the save button right here. That'll overwrite your original file. So that'll just save it. Now, if you go to the right, it says save as. This will create a new file. So that's the one I want. So we have the original and the approved one. So we'll just go ahead and left click on save as here. This will load up and it'll allow us to change our file name. Make sure you change the file name or it'll overwrite it again. So I'm just going to type in approved here at the end. And we can select where we would like it to go. I'm going to go on my desktop and we'll just go ahead and hit save. And now it should have saved that on our desktop. So I'll just go ahead and close this here. And you can see I have a second document now. It says 10-page document approved. We'll go ahead and open that up. And there it is, my document with the approved on it. And really it's that simple to type on a PDF here in Windows 11 for free with no additional downloads. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.